Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday, guys. It's Tuesday. Don't forget that on Thursday we're going to have high impact news, which is called CPI. If you don't know much about it, try to go and check what's really about. It's actually about inflation, and if inflation is going to go up, just know that the dollar is going to go up also, and it means other things they're going to do what they're going to suffer. So I hope you understand that. So before we go to the daily analysis, let's go straight to our break. And yeah, trading can be stressful with emotions left and right. It's difficult to follow your trading plan in these market conditions. It's difficult to be disciplined when things don't go in your favor. But did you know that a trading robot doesn't have emotions and is strictly going to follow your rules? Try Prime EA Robot so that you can start to eat and relax for only $150. Trading. Okay, thank you. I hope you did watch that. That is a great, actually a small advertisement. Actually it's talking about Prime EA. So I know it's difficult sometimes to trade, guys. Sometimes it's like, not sometimes, most of the time it's quite difficult, as the market actually requires your emotions, and you know that it's not going to be good, especially when you lose. So you need something like a robot that is going to assist you, like people who work actually. I think they're the ones which they can actually use the robot. But even if maybe you're not working, just to make sure that other decisions are not taken by you, especially for those people who maybe actually don't actually make enough, or maybe they are not consistent, or they are not profitable, because it's difficult just actually to be like disciplined every day, especially with this market. What's really happening? You make money today, you lose. You make money, you lose. Then there's no way that you're going to just not trigger your emotions. Obviously, you need something that is going to help you to be consistent. Anyways, let's go straight to our daily analysis. This is going to be actually a bit quick. Sorry, guys. Yesterday we were supposed to go live, but actually there was load shedding later there. So that actually made me not to go on our live session. But the trading time, I think I did mistake and say the trading time is going to be 2 o'clock, I think, 2:30. No, it's going to be 4:30, not 2:30. So apologies there. So yeah, what's really happening on Bitcoin? Bitcoin is still playing games. Bitcoin is still playing games. You can see the market was going down. Here we thought maybe the market was going to go up, but guess what? The market just actually pushed lower again. So let's just go straight there. Again, we have some good news actually. We're going to start going on live, Instagram live. Actually, if you don't really have my Instagram, go check that. It's Xtrahot Forex. Obviously, I think the name is only me. You will see that. And the following is very, very small there. So please go subscribe to that channel. We're going to also go on our live session, especially later around 8, 9, 10 there before the market close. So don't miss that, and just make sure that you're going to subscribe to my Instagram. So here is Bitcoin. You can see that the resistance was doing what? The resistance actually was, the market was respecting the resistance. So yes, that was broken. And guess what? If we go closer again, we thought maybe the market was going to do what? To push the upside. The time the market was actually consolidating there. I think I need to zoom that. So that you can see, man. You need to see. You see. So here's what we have. The market started to consolidate. Here you can see. So after that, we thought maybe the market was going to break and start to push to the upside. Guess what? I don't know what happened, but this candlestick there is very strong. The bearish momentum was seriously strong, which means maybe there was news or something like that. So, but I don't know. But you can see that the market is not actually willing to push the upside. Now we're back on that 19,000. So, which means there is something actually happening. So what do we expect? I'm going to expect actually to buy above this area and to sell where the market is now. I think the market can give us some very nice sell. I think the market is trying to do what? To push the lower side. So the bearish momentum is still playing games with us, with us. So which means we just need to be careful with those buys. So yeah, the market is going back on that bearish. So what's really happening on German? So since last week, the market, actually let's say this week, the market, the market has been consolidating, but it's not surprising because every time when we expect some crazy news or high impact news, we actually going to see the market consolidating, because no one wants to participate in the market when they know that the market is not going to move. So it means people, they're just waiting for CPI, then after the market will start to move in certain direction. But CPI is something that we don't actually have to miss, because it's quite straightforward to trade. Whether if it's going up, it means that we're going to just sell. If it's going down, then we're going to buy. So what's really happening on German? When we go closer here, you can easily see that yes, the market actually broke out of our resistance, but it seems like the market just touched our order and it seems like it's trying to push the lower side. Do you see that? So, or maybe let me just use 2 hours. You can see we had actually a very nice buy pending order, because we thought maybe the market was respecting this area. Maybe the market was about to push the upside, but guess what? It seems like it's not like that. It seems like it's not like that. Yeah, it seems like that is supposed to get out. So what I'm going to wait for here is to wait for the market. You see this area? That was the area that I thought maybe the market was going to bounce back as a retest. You can see the market retested. So it seems like maybe the market wants to come back again and push before pushing up to the upside. So, but we will wait, because there is a chance that the market can just break this area and start to push the lower side. That is possible, especially with this type of market condition. So it means if it breaks and go lower again, we're no longer going to look for that bullish move, because it shows that the market is no longer want to push to the upside. The market just wants to go back. But yeah, there is a chance actually for the market to still push the upside. But currently, it seems like the market is trying to go back to that bearish momentum. Okay. Gold is doing its thing. I think I sent that signal yesterday, but it's fine. So what's really happening on gold? You can easily see that. I don't really have to go back that much. You can see that yes, the market was actually on a bearish, still actually on a bearish move, and the market actually touched our resistance yesterday here. We thought maybe the market was about to break, but you know what? We saw that the market was struggling. That's why I even drawn this horizontal resistance. It seems like now we are in a smaller profit, and there is a chance for the market to keep pushing lower and lower. That's why you're supposed to subscribe to our channel. Why? Because most of these signals, we get them right. So for those who wants to join, you can see the packages there. 250 is lifetime, 150 is 12 months. So if you want to be part of the team, just let me know. So what's really happening is the gold is actually trying to show us that I'm still respecting our resistance or our downtrend. So the market is expecting what? The market is expected to push lower, unless if the market breaks this area, we will look for those bullish momentum. But currently we are still on that downtrend. The market is still downtrending. Please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So now we are on US oil. What's really happening on US oil? Quite similar to what we saw actually on gold. Firstly, the market is still downtrending. Obviously, you can see that. But the difference is, on this downtrending thing, you can see that the market broke out of our downtrend, and now maybe it's trying to push the upside. So what we do here is we have to have something. I can easily see that, you know what, around this area there was a resistance, and it seems like the market is trying to respect that area. So what do? Do we buy or do we sell? Because it seems that like the market is respecting our previous resistance. What we're going to do is we're going to buy only if the market pushes above this area, which maybe is going to be around 94,000. Above that area, it's where we're going to buy. But if not, we're not going to participate between this support and resistance. In between this area, we're going to leave the market do its thing. If it pushes lower and break this area where we call it a support, yes, we can say maybe the market is trying to do what, to go back to that bearish move, and we can start to sell again. But currently we just need to relax. I hope you see that. Do you see that? So let's push to the next one, which is US30. What's really happening on US30 is straightforward also. We can easily see that yes, the market is actually on a very, very strong downtrend. Do you see that? The market is actually pushing down, and currently we are on that resistant area, and we're expecting the market to do what? To sell. Yesterday I thought maybe the market was going to break out of our support area, but that did not happen. You see, we had a support here, then the market pushed up. But when you check on top there, we have an area that we can call what? We can call a resistance. And remember, we are on a downtrend, so I'm expecting the market to do what? To push the lower side. You can see that we also have a sell pending order. So we're hoping that the market will be going down. Yes, actually yesterday the robot actually did give us some nice profits because the market was pushing up. So the robot got it right. So yeah, I'm expecting the market to sell on USD. I think this one is quite straightforward. So yes, we are still on bearish. So which means we're expecting to do what? To sell only. So please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe, like, share with your friends. What's really happening? On NASDAQ? It's quite straightforward also. This one is straightforward, as the market is still actually strongly respecting this area. Actually, the market is still respecting our resistance, which means that the continuation of this bearish is still very strong. That's why we see the market doing what? Pushing to the lower side. So the best thing that we can do is try to go there, very closer to to where the market is currently, and see what's really happening. Okay, we can see that yes, the market is still it was pushing lower and lower. You can see around this area the market found a resistance there, and especially when we were on another diagonal resistance, the market respected that area and started to push the lower side. So now when we draw this diagonal resistance, it makes sense. So there is a possibility that the market can respect this area and push the lower side. That's why I even sent a sell pending order. So we're hoping that the market is going to do what? To touch that and start to push the lower side. Do you see that? I hope you see that. I think the strategy is quite straightforward. What I can do is we can also maybe do something like this. We can also do something like that. Yeah, something like this. Do you see that? So the market is actually doing what? Downtrending. But this is a counter trend line just to show that the market is continuing with that downtrend. Yes, I know maybe you have a question and say, Kenzo, what about this area? This area is a support area, by the way, but it seems like the market pushed up again. So, but this might not be that strong because we are still on a down. The market is still down, respecting our downtrend. So this is actually a counter trend line, which means it's not that strong. So the market can still continue with that downtrend without any problem. So I hope you understand that. So before we call it a day, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Then let's go to our prime advert. Trading can be stressful with emotions left and right. It's difficult to follow your trading plan in these market conditions. It's difficult to be disciplined when things don't go in your favor. But did you know that trading robot doesn't have emotions and is strictly going to follow your rules? Try Prime EA Robot so that you can start to eat and relax for only $150. Trading can Okay, so thank you very much. For those who wants to join the team, you can see the packages there. You can post the video, then you can write maybe the contacts down, then you can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye bye.